Okay, so we want to keep 2%. We want to keep 2% on this. We went in on the top one. We dropped it down to the second one. We pitched it down 2%. Now we're going to have a high octane next to this. Those are the pipes that are key. The one bottom high octane where all the water is going to run down into. And then to make sure that the roof runoff pipe, the solid Baughman Gold, is maintaining its 2-inch pitch. We got 2% slope. And it's 2 inches on 100, 2 inches on 10 feet or 100 inches if you want to do it easy. You know, it's easy for the homeowner. Just go ahead and measure out 100 inches.
Mathematically, it's like 2.14 or something.
Yeah. But it's close.
2 inches for every 10 feet we go.
It's close, and that's what the DIY wants. How can I knock this out and not sit here, you know, dealing with formulas and all that? So 100 inches, you want 2 inches a drop, 2%. There you go. I mean, just make it easy, keep it easy. That's on a 2% slope. The bottom pipe that's going to be placed next to it is going to be our high octane, the blue, the royal blue. And then we're going to put 2 more of the high octane because it moves more water than stone. The water just goes through it better than stone. Stone does slow down the water. Like the 1/2-inch stone that we're using to pack it tight, it's a thin layer. The thicker the layer, the more you're going to slow it down. So that's why we like the quad packs. It brings it right to the top. You don't need but a light coating of stone to lock everything tight and put that stone in between that pipe. That's the right way to do a roof runoff system in your quad pack. You have to make sure that your pipe is maintaining that drop. Now, there is times where you'll see this yellow pipe on top of our quad pack because we're still getting that 2% slope. It depends where you started out in the yard. Everybody's yard is different. So that's why we try to cover so many different cases. So I'm with the guys videoing their installs, showing you all the different things we run into, because hopefully you're going to see something that reflects how your yard's laid out, and you guys can carry over some of these techniques and tricks and the way we do things. So nice 2% slope, that roof runoff water. And notice how once we catch roof runoff water, we don't let it go. That's key. You know, all this, just 10 feet away from the house, that's bad advice. So this goes to this distribution box. We don't have the grate on it, got solid cover because we don't want worms in it, and we're not trying to get surface water with that basin. That is just for shingle gravel to fall into to not contaminate the rest of the system. So then we got that water caught, we're not letting it go. This is our French drain system. This is done. Got another one here. Balance tubes, blind inlets. We're not letting that water go until we get out of this yard. We're going to let the water go right here, and it's just going to run right down to the curb. All right, guys, till next video.